In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom route in Google Maps using the desktop site. First, open your browser and go to maps.google.com. Start by entering your destination in the search bar. Once you find the location, click on Directions at the top of the sidebar. Next, choose your method of travel and set a starting point. You can either type it in the search box or select it directly on the map. Google Maps will then suggest the shortest viable route. To customize your route, click Options and check boxes to avoid highways, tolls, or ferries. Google Maps will instantly recalculate the route based on your preferences. If you want to add a stop or a landmark, click Add Destination, then search for the location or select it on the map. You can add as many stops as you like and reorder them by dragging the dots next to their names. To refine your route further, simply click and drag the path to adjust it through specific locations. Google Maps will add a white dot wherever a turn needs to be made. Once you're satisfied with your custom route, you can share it by clicking the menu icon 3 lines in the top left and selecting Share or Embed Map. A shareable link will appear that you can use to save or share your route. If you'd like to send the route to your phone, click Send Directions to your phone. If you're signed into your Google account, you'll see a list of your devices. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to sign in. That's how to make a custom route in Google Maps on desktop. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you later.